Now we will see the remaining questions which given in the true or false. G. The sum of two prime numbers is always even. Actually, I already told you when this kind of questions is given, let us take a simple example and substitute there. Okay. Sum of two prime numbers is always even. Prime number, which first you should know what you mean by prime number. A prime number is a number having factors 1 and itself. Like let us take 3 is a prime number and 7 is a prime number. Okay, 3 has factors 1 and 3. Similarly, 7 has factors 1 and 7. Other than this, there is no other factor. So now we will add 3 plus 7, that equal to 10. Now you observe 10 is a even number or not? Yes, right? So this will be true. Likewise, you can take any other example, 13, 19, add together and check whether that is even or not. Okay? Now 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number, that is obviously true. That is obviously true. Because you see 2 is a even number, right? When 2 divided by 2 gives remainder 0. First thing. Second thing, 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2. 1 into 2 equal to 2 and 2 into 1 equal to 2. So if these two conditions are satisfied, then we can say that it is even prime, and 2 is the only even prime number that exists. Okay? First thing is 2 has two factors and 2's remainder will be 0. This is for even, this is for prime number condition. Okay? Next, all even numbers are composite numbers. So now here we are entering into the new topic called composite numbers. These composite numbers you should have an eye properly, because these are very important numbers. Any composite number, okay, any composite number that can be obtained by multiplying two numbers. Okay, so let us take an example of 10. Okay, 10. For better understanding, we will take another example. Okay, not 10, we will take 12. 12 can be obtained by multiplication of 4 into 3. 12 can be obtained by multiplication of 6 into 2. Okay, 6 into 2. Coming to this composite number, a composite number is an even number greater than 2. Okay, a composite number means it should have greater than 3 or more factors. Means any composite number should have 3 factors or more. Okay, we have already discussed how to identify the factors, how to find the factors. Now you see here, a composite number is a number which has 3 or more factors, and all even numbers are composite numbers except 2, because 2 is a prime number which has only 2 factors. Okay, but here the condition should be 3 or more factors. So 2 is not a composite number. 2 is a even number, 2 is a prime number, but not 2 is a composite number. So, but 2 is a even number, they are saying all even numbers are composite. So this should be false. False. Why it is false? Because 2 is in the even number list and 2 is in the prime number list. That is why 2 can't be a composite number. Okay. The product of two even numbers is always even. We will check with an example. Even numbers, 4 into 8 is an even number. 32, which is also a even number. This is true. This is simple, right? If you want, you can check by multiplying anything. 2 into 6. You can check whether the output, the final answer, that is even or not. By this way, we can solve this kind of questions. Okay. I hope you are getting each and every point very clearly with an example. Okay. If you have any doubts, please post in the comment section. I will see and I will verify that, and I will answer you as much as quick as possible. Okay. My only intention is you should learn the mathematics right from the basics and the, what we can say, you should have a good knowledge of all the concept of mathematics. Okay, thank you.